Wow, your skin's glowing. Tell me the secret. I want glowing skin too. Continue watching to understand how you can get glowing, glossy skin. Skin health is not only about the products we use on our skin, but also what we put into our bodies. The health of skin is primarily determined by the health of your gut hormonal system and mental wellness. You need to eat well to nourish your skin using Ayurvedic moisturizers and gels to ensure that wonderful glow and radiance in your complexion. Try these Ayurvedic beauty hacks and remedies to complement your home beauty routine. Tip number 1, warm lemon water in the morning. Impurities in the digestive system lead to impurities in the blood and then the skin. It is important to keep your body healthy and free of waste. Stimulating your digestive fire first thing in the morning helps prepare the body to promptly and properly eliminate and digest all day. Warm water with lemon helps to boost your digestive fire. This cleanses the blood and liver and allows you to begin the day hydrated. Remember, hydration is the key to glowing skin. All you need to do is mix the juice of half a lemon in a glass of warm water and sip it slowly. Tip number 2, full body massage once or twice a week. Oil massages are one of the best ways to hydrate your skin. Moisture seeps in through your pores with oil massages and paves the way for soft and radiant skin. Abhyanga is an Ayurvedic full body massage with warm oil. It helps to pump the lymphatic system and the circulatory system. Both of these systems are important to pump out the waste from our bodies and aid healthy detoxification. Abhyanga massages are generally 15 to 20 minutes long and consist of long strokes aimed towards the heart. It allows you to deeply nourish your skin and connect with yourself and your body. This massage is amazing for improving your skin's texture, tone and radiance. Take a warm shower to rinse off the oil, but avoid using too much soap to prevent drying your skin up again. Dry off and enjoy the nourishing and calming effects of this wonderful self-massage. Tip number 3, use a chickpea flower scrub. According to ancient Ayurvedic traditions, chickpea flour or besan is one of the best ways to cleanse your skin. It's an excellent exfoliant, and the gentle massaging while exfoliation helps to improve circulation. You can use chickpea flour on its own with a little bit of water as a gentle exfoliating cleanser, or add other powdered herbs like licorice, neem or rose for added benefits. Dampen your face and scrub the mix gently into the skin for a few moments before rinsing and then pat it dry. Make sure not to scrub the skin too hard because it can make it sore and give you a rash. Then apply some nourishing face oil or moisturizer after drying your skin to keep it hydrated. We'll see you soon. Pranam.
Do subscribe to our channel to get free tips on health, yoga, diet, nutrition, lifestyle, exercise and spirituality.